Again, thank you Santo Domingo National High School CAD officers.
Dear Heavenly Father, we adore you as the creator of all things. Everything in the heavens and earth is yours. As we embark on the journey of SPCS coronation rites, we seek your divine guidance and blessings. Bless all that we ask.
To our PSSD, Sir Joel Valieta, to our ever-charming principal, Sir Kim, esteemed faculty members, proud parents.
Wholeheartedly, thank you so much. Asan po yung mga parents natin dyan? Palakpakan naman tayo dyan. Thank you po so much. Naday ka po nagduwa-duwa na paipahumbuan sa inyong mga aki sa satuya kong magayunan ng obheto kaining Prince and Princess. To the teachers who have been very supportive and their encouragement to their students and parents. Mga mahal po namong mga guro, salamat. Maraming salamat po sa pag-inggan at pagsuporta po sa proyekto pong ini ng SPDA. Tubarang kay Santo Niño, sinapuso inabudan mi ko. Sabi nga niyo po, sarong tawag lang, yaon po ang sa indang pag-ayuda. During the canvassing po, yaon po susunod.
goes to the SPTA President, Ma'am Janice. Ma'am Janice, de Banalnan.
I'm so happy to see these young prince and princesses dahil parang kaibigan sila ng social development. I'm so happy also to see all the parents na napakaganda ang kanilang mga kasuotan. Pasensya na po dahil ako naka-escort sa tayo. Nasa palarong dito kung kami nakapilin sa tayo. Hindi ko lang pwedeng palagpasin na hindi pumunta dito. Kaya sabi ko, I have to rise at 4 o'clock and be part of this coronation rites. Salamat po sa kapos ng mga magulang sa inyong pagsuporta sa inyong mga kakihan.
Another Princess of Spring, Freya Nicole F. Banyares. Parents, Edward Y. Banyares, Leah F. Banyares. Advisor, Janet Navarro. Section, R.
Althea R. Beniflo. Parents, Mark Andrew P. Beniflo. Arlene A. Rional. Advisor, Ma'am Chona Altaban. Section, Sutter. Prince of Charity, Yuji Ara. Parent, Bonita E. Ara. Advisor, Ma'am Marites Colina. Section, Agogo.
Princess of Culture, Leon Hyacinth C. Padernilla. Parents, Benji B. Padernilla and Lee C. Padernilla. Advisor, Sir Erwin Ephraim Hatchanova. Section, Wali-Wali. Prince of Culture, Vance Justine B. Añaluego. Parents, Ralph M. Añaluego and Jonathan B. Añaluego. Advisor, Ma'am Shirley A. Baloloy. Yellow Section.
Lorian Ahmed M. Banyere. Parents, Jobert B. Banyere. Sherilyn Marie M. Banyere. Advisor, Amlani Lishon. Section, Neptune. Peace of Harmony, Julius Ferdinand Jr. R. Casares. Parents, Julius Ferdinand M. Casares. Rowena R. Casares. Advisor, Ma'am Chona Altaban. Section, Southern. pupils of SDCS for another intermission number. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the Santo Domingo Central School Rondalla. much for that very entertaining performance. Once again, the Santo Domingo Central School Rondalla. So now let's move on to the awarding of major awards to the members of the Royal Court. So may we request again the presence of Sir Ga, our school principal, the respective parents, the SBTA officers, and the teachers to be here on stage to do the honor. Third runner-up, Princess of Water, Amiga Alegre G. Balut. Parents, Renatro Balut and Anilu Gregorio. Advisor, Ma'am Rosalie Rosales. Section, Blue. Prince of Water, Gavin Adrian Bando. Parents, Gerald Bando and Luzon Bando. Advisor, Ma'am Corazon Raposa. Section, Aquarius.
Prince of SBCS 2024, Kiel Martin B. Rojas. Parents, Marcel B. Ross II and Jenny B. Santos. Advisor, Ma'am Irma Balucio. Section, Go.
Once again, thank you very much, Sir Ga, and to our SBTU friends. And we also have okay, the Prince. Once again, we have now the major awards. Thank you so much, Sir Ga, and the SBTA President, Mrs. Janice Banalina. Let us again give them a warm round of applause. Palakpakan po natin sila.
The past years have been incredible for our reigning prince and princess of Santo Domingo Central School. They have been participative and helpful to everyone, and have been blessed to wear the crown and carry the title. Truly, it was the highlight of their school year. However, their time to bid farewell has come. Let us all welcome the reigning prince of Santo Domingo Central School 2017, Andrew Basilio D. Halbuena. With his mother, Gemma Halbuena, and guardian, Delia B. Salazar. Princess of Santo Domingo Central School 2017, Maria Teresa B. Vanilla. Mother, Maria Gloria B. Vanilla. Father, Rolando B. Vanilla. Let us welcome them for their farewell walk and turnover. A round of applause, please.
A very warm good evening, everyone. It was a great honor for me that tonight I will be passing my title, my sash, and my crown as Princess of Santo Domingo Central School 2017. That year, I have been blessed to bear this beautiful crown, and tonight marks the end of my journey. It has truly been an unforgettable reign filled with surprises, growth, and smiles. Tonight, I am closing one of my most beautiful journey and experience, being once a princess of Santo Domingo Central School. Remember, being a princess is not just having the crown on your head, but wearing it over your heart. I am giving my heartfelt thank you to my parents, friends, relatives, and my former teachers who supported and helped during those days and being my source of inspiration. My alma mater, Santo Domingo Central School, I thank the Lord for all the blessings He has bestowed upon all of us. And to my successor, cherish and enjoy every moment and all future opportunities that await you. This is your moment to enjoy your journey. Once again, I stand before all of you one last time, holding this journey that has been my stepping stones to where I am now. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Maria Teresa D. Manila, the Princess of Santo Domingo Central School 2017. Now signing off. Thank you.
And now let us witness the turnover of the crowns to our new SDCS Prince and Princess 2024. We request our new Prince and Princess together with the parents. Joel, at tayo po tayo. Prince and by a barangay Kagawan of San Isidro, Santo Domingo Albay, the daughter of Ramir Barrios and Emeline Barrios, a singer, dancer, actress, fire dancer at Oriental Hotel, choreographer, and currently studying at SJCC, teacher intern at STCS. Let us all welcome on stage Miss Chanel Kathleen B. Barrios. Let's give her a round of applause.
happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us, and when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us in a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Opo, sa na po tayo syempre. Center, please. And we have now the royal dance.
you so much, Prince and Princesses. You may now take your seat.
Please settle now as we now continue with our program. Please find your seats, dear royalties, so that we can proceed. And now we have witnessed the breathtaking performance of our royalties.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Actually po, inimbanggi. Ang pagmati ko, pinaghalo-halong Valentine's Day and Christmas. Diba? Tama ba? Valentine's Day and Christmas. Because Valentine's Day and Christmas, ang motif ka, pula. And Christmas because this is the day of giving. And ini po, take you consider po na kapula o na regalo para sa eskwelahan ng Santo Domingo Central School. Para pagandaman ng mga magulang, yan ang mga aking liyaw ng Dimunyan. Kung nakikinig ng mga magayon doon, ako sa nagayon ang out of place ng Dimunyan. And dakulaw ining regalo dahil ang mabibenepisyaran kaini ang satuyang DLC na nawara and hopefully ma-revive na nun yan. And ang satuyang rondalya na nawara din and hopefully magpadagos. Kaso bago namin yung nandito sa rondalya. Kung may magayon na silang gamit and dagol pang oras para mag-practice para sa second concert, siguro mas magayon pa, di ba? Parang pagandaman po sila. And of course, ang satuyang mga SPPA sa panginginutan kansahin ng Presidente, si Manay Jaan na dahil ko kaya namin na natatapunan din sa side. Okay, and sa satuyang mga teachers na nagpara-encourage sa satuyang mga parents na pahingkaonan sa indang mga aking para pagkatagan po sila. And of course, syempre, special mention ulit sa mga magulang at mga aking kapag-kapag ng kanya dahil lang hindi mangyayari. Ang desisyon po ay nasa magulang sa mga aking kung ano ka natin gusto ka ng lugar, kaya ilang dibuhan ni paraan. Tama po ba? O, gano'n man sa naiya so akin na ako mag-eskwela, dapat so magurang ang mag-encourage na magpadawag sa aking. Diba? Kung ako ka natin, pagtulutan mo na kayo magklase, so walang mangyayari ka. So dapat kamo, kita bilang mga magulang, and kami sa eskwelahan bilang mga pangluwag-luwag, dapat kita ang masusunod para sa ika-aralan sa tuyang mga aking. And sa kabos man na nagpadalagan ka ining programa, mag-on sa day 1 hanggang sa ngunyan. And kung nari paro indo, pagayon lang sa tuyang stage, salamat mo sa nag-decorate. Parang pagkantaman yan sa sound system. And so kung nagdaramang maghakot ka ining tukawan, dahil sa rin yung araw na kung burak no kapag ang magparahakot kitukawan na mainito. And so duwa na nag-impromptong nagturo sa satuyang mga ating para sa Royal Dance. And so kasumpa mo na nagturo, nag-lead para sa Royal Dance. Parang ito po si Sir ito, para mahinig yung mga ating kung paano binding the words. Okay, arang ko ang mga aking antong na TikTok. Sabi ko nga kay teacher course kasi bago, ano na kung TikTok ang ituro mo sa mga aking. Tapos sigurado araw-araw yan ng mga aking. Diba? Tama ba, children? Oo po, sabi ng mga kung magayawan dito sa inutan. So again,
Nakulaon po ang sapuyang pasasalamat sa Indogabos sa suportang pagtanaw po nito sa Santo Domingo Central School. And especially mention, nalulog niya ako sa dating itong principal, Sir Joey Galilay, ko sa bago. Ay papa, sabi mo magbutaan ng design ito, kaya nang wala na siguro. So salamat lang po sa pagdigdigin sa Satuyang District Supervisor. Kasama ko po, nagtarandig si Sir Joey Balgueta, ang Satuyang Bacbo District Supervisor. Again po sa Gabos, congratulations and dakudan salamat sa inyo Gabos. Advance Merry Christmas.
And would like to acknowledge some people who made this program possible. We have the working committee, the SBTA officers and members overall in charge, the grade 6 teachers. Enjoy the rest of the night. Here's Teacher Mon and Teacher Rose, both signing off.